What if I told you you can make buffalo wings just like they do in New York? And you'll have people bragging that they're the best buffalo wings they've had. Well, stay tuned and watch the entire video to see just how easy it is to do. Hello, my angels. I'm Angel, culinary school grad, retired prep cook, and retired line cook. Welcome to my channel and to another video. So let's get started on this next recipe. Let's go. I remember the first time I made these for my kids. It was in the 1980s and they loved it. The first time I actually ate buffalo chicken wings was when I ordered from a pizzeria in Brooklyn. And then when I tried them, I'm like, oh boy, I gotta learn how to make these. Now, buffalo chicken wings are traditionally fried, but I'll be making mine in the oven. I just wanted to try something different. Want to see if I can make them come out crispy. And guess what? I sure did. You know, all those other wings that are made with all those different spices and accoutrements, those are not buffalo chicken wings. Those are just wings with seasonings and accoutrements. The real buffalo wings are made with Frank's Red Hot sauce. Yeah. No. When was your first time trying buffalo chicken wings? Let me know the place and the year. Place it down in the comments. I'd like to know. Oh, sucky, sucky now, sucky, sucky now. Look how crispy those look. Ooh, boy. You know, this is the second time I'm making buffalo chicken wings for the channel. And I remember the first time somebody placed in the comments, I bet they're not even crispy. Ciao. I'm from New York. I know how to make buffalo chicken wings. And I know how the original is supposed to taste. So there. Like telling somebody from Philly they don't know how to make a Philly cheesesteak right. Okay, now. That's just crazy talk. If you're looking for a wine to pair with this, I would go for a Riesling. A Riesling is sweet. It has flavors and scents of flowers, peaches, and melons. And it pairs well with cheeses and with chicken. So I would go with that. Or also the German version. I'll put the name up here. Now I can see these buffalo chicken wings sitting up, piled up in a bowl, set out for your Super Bowl watch party, or even better yet, if you want to have some for yourself, make sure you take some, put them in a container and set them to the side so you'll have some left over after the party. But this would be a great addition to any party. So, how do you like this recipe? If you like it, you know, all you have to do is give me a thumbs up. That's going to be a like. Share on all media platforms. Leave a comment down below. And come back and see what I have next time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you then. Bye. As always, please be the blessing to someone. And many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I'll see you next time.